Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to use the Remini app for AI avatars. To start the process, open your Remini application on your mobile device. Here tap on Get Started. Now tap on Accept All and Continue. You can blur the photos by moving this slider. Tap on Next. You can choose a plan from here. Then tap on Not Sure Yet. Here tap on I'll do it later. Tap on Give Access. Then tap on Allow. Now tap on AI Avatars. Here tap on the Upload 18 to 12 selfies. Then tap on Photo Library. Now select multiple photos from here. Then tap on Add. After that, tap on Next. Here, tap on Yes, Proceed. Wait for it to import. After that, select your gender. Then tap on Generate AI Avatars. Start generating your AI avatars with a 50 avatar pack or generate them for $270. You need to purchase an AI avatar. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.